In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive emails in Mozilla Thunderbird. First, let's start by opening Mozilla Thunderbird on your computer. You will see the familiar interface that has your email accounts on the left side. This is your command center for managing all your emails efficiently. By launching Thunderbird, you set the stage for organizing your emails, which can help declutter your inbox and make your workflow smoother. Ensuring you have this program open is crucial, as it allows you to access all your messages and take action on them promptly. Next, you will need to select the email or emails that you want to archive. This is an essential step because it determines which messages will be moved to your archive folder. To do this, simply click on the email you wish to archive. If you want to select multiple emails, hold down the Control key if you are using Windows or the Command key if you are on a Mac while clicking on the desired emails. This flexibility is vital for managing large amounts of correspondence without losing track of important messages. Once you have selected the emails, click the Archive button in the toolbar, or you can press the letter A on your keyboard. When you do this, Thunderbird will move the messages from their current folder to a dedicated archive folder. This action is significant because it helps keep your inbox tidy and allows you to retrieve those messages later without cluttering your main email view. You will notice that the selected emails disappear from your inbox, confirming that they have been archived successfully. To archive multiple emails at once, remember to hold Control for Windows or Command for Mac while selecting messages. Mozilla recommends archiving no more than 2,000 messages at a time. This recommendation is important as it helps ensure that Thunderbird processes your requests smoothly without overwhelming the system. Archiving in manageable batches makes it easier to locate your emails later and keeps your computer running efficiently. After that, to view your archived emails later, open the Archives folder in the left-hand folder pane. This folder is where all your archived messages are stored, making it easy for you to access them when needed. Archived messages remain searchable in Thunderbird, so you can find them quickly using the search function. This capability is incredibly useful for retrieving important information from past emails without digging through your inbox. Now, if you want to change where your archived emails are stored, click the Thunderbird menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, and choose Account Settings. This step is crucial if you have specific preferences for where your archived emails reside. Once you are in the account settings, you will see various options for configuring your email experience to best suit your needs. Next, select Copies and Folders under the email account you want to configure. This section allows you to customize how Thunderbird handles your emails, including archiving options. In the Message Archive section, you can choose whether to keep archives in your email account or in local folders on your computer. Deciding where to store your emails is important for managing storage space and ensuring easy access. Finally, click Archive Options to organize archived emails into yearly folders, monthly folders, or preserve the original folder structure. This customization is particularly helpful if you want to maintain a specific order for your archived emails. By structuring your archives this way, you can easily locate specific messages later. With that ready, you have successfully archived your emails in Mozilla Thunderbird, making your email management much more efficient. Thank you for watching.